Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll go over the proper cryopreservation techniques for mammalian cells. This process helps you preserve cells long-term. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to freeze and store cells effectively. Cryopreservation is a technique used to freeze cells, tissues, and biological materials at very low temperatures, ensuring their viability for future use. By freezing cells properly, we prevent contamination and minimize genetic drift or cellular aging. This is a vital step in maintaining cell cultures over time. Choosing the right cryopreservation medium is essential. If you're using serum-containing media, common options include complete medium with 10% glycerol or 10% DMSO, or 50% cell-conditioned medium with cryoprotectants like glycerol or DMSO. For serum-free media, you can use formulations like 50% cell-conditioned serum-free medium with 7.5% DMSO or fresh serum-free medium with 7.5% DMSO and BSA for further protection. If your cells are sensitive to standard cryoprotectants, consider optimizing the freezing medium to balance recovery and toxicity. Start by determining the number of viable cells, ensuring they are in the log phase. Centrifuge at 200 to 400 times gravity for 5 minutes to form a pellet. Then remove the supernatant. Resuspend the cells in your freezing medium. Aim for 1 × 10 to the 7th cells per milliliter to 5 × 10 to the 7th cells per milliliter for serum-containing media, or 0.5 × 10 to the 7th cells per milliliter to 1 × 10 to the 7th cells per milliliter for serum-free. After resuspending, aliquot into cryovials and begin the slow freezing process at 1 degree Celsius per minute. This can be done using a controlled rate freezer or by placing the vials in an insulated box at -70 degrees Celsius to -90 degrees Celsius before transferring them to liquid nitrogen. For adherent cells, first detach them using a dissociation reagent. After detaching, count the viable cells and centrifuge them at 200 times D for 5 minutes. Remove the supernatant and resuspend the cells in freezing medium, aiming for 5 × 10 to the 6th cells per milliliter to 1 × 10 to the 7th cells per milliliter. Aliquot into cryovials and freeze slowly at 1 degree Celsius per minute before transferring to liquid nitrogen for storage. When thawing your cells, it's crucial to do it quickly. Place the cryovials in a 37 degree Celsius water bath to thaw evenly. Then transfer the cells to fresh medium. Centrifuge to remove cryoprotectants. Resuspend the cells in fresh medium and allow them to recover. Some common mistakes include freezing cells too quickly, which leads to ice crystal formation, or using insufficient cryoprotectant. Ensure you're freezing slowly at 1 degree Celsius per minute and using the right amount of DMSO or glycerol. Also, check your storage conditions regularly to prevent temperature fluctuations, which can negatively affect the cells. To summarize, proper cryopreservation involves preparing your cells, choosing the right freezing medium, freezing at a controlled rate, and carefully thawing the cells when needed. Following these steps ensures the long-term viability of your cells. If you need any further information or assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.